Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use text styles in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is actually add text. If you don't know how to do that, you just come in the left hand panel, you click on this icon, and then you can either add an artistic text like this one, or you can add a frame text tool for paragraphs, such as this one right here. Now to change this style, you just go ahead and highlight the text. I've just double clicked on this, and then you can come here and change the font family. For example, we have different options right here. We have Arial, rounded, and we have others as well. You can underline the text, and some of these other styles allow you to do more things, such as make them bold or italic. For example, like this one right here, I can make this one bold, as you can see, and I can remove that as well. And of course, you can go ahead and change the font size as well from here. And these are some other font style options that you can go ahead and do to your text. And if you want, you can go ahead and make presets or use heading style as well. Like here, as you can see, we have body, heading 1, heading 2, numbered as well. You can go ahead and create your own custom style if you want as well. And that is how to use text styles in Affinity Studio.